Hello, I'm at Northumberland Park station, the penultimate station that has opened on the Northumberland Line. I'm here today because I have just got myself tickets for Bedlington station, which is the very last station to open on the Northumberland Line, and it's opening today, and we're catching not the first, not the second, but the third train going towards Ashington, and then we'll get off at Bedlington station and see it open. Someone's just pointed out, and rightly so, that here at Northumberland Park National Rail Station is platform 1, but over there's also a platform 1, and then platform 2 is the rose between two thorns. In other words, Northern and the Metro are now meeting on a 1-to-1 basis. Anyway, before I start cracking up more terrible jokes, our train to Bedlington soon arrived. Okay, here's our train to Bedlington, and it's a 156 for a change. With what I believe is a 158 on the rear. Yes, it is. You can really see the contrast between a 158 through there and a 156 through here. This also gives me a chance to visit live website as well, as I've not seen this station yet. As we were checking out Bedlington station, we soon bumped into a familiar face. And we are now at Bedlington station. Hello, this is Simon's Trains. Hello. Please check him out. Give him a subscribe. Hello, you've just come up for the day, haven't you?
I've actually been here since last night, but I actually have been in Scotland for the past week.
It's a pleasure to meet you, always.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to meet you too.
Best. We also met someone who was a bit more local to this area and who you might have spotted as our train was leaving. It was, of course, Tommy's Trains. He did not want to be interviewed on camera, but please ensure you check him out if you haven't done so yet. Anyway, we saw a few more trains coming through and explored a bit more of the area by the station. Well, now we're going to catch the next train back into Newcastle and then finish the video at Newcastle Central. Okay, here comes our 158 and 156 again, so it's goodbye from Bedlington. And now we're back where we started. Only we're going to finish at Newcastle Central Station instead.
The next station stop is Newcastle.
The little bridge.
So that was Bedlington Station, and I am now back at Newcastle Central. It is lovely to see every single station on the Northumberland Line now open, and hopefully soon, one day, they'll extend it all the way to Newbiggin-by-the-sea and get a few services from Morpeth as well. That will be nice. Anyway, Class 91s for LNER are coming up to Newcastle tomorrow, so I will be down at York tomorrow to do a journey report from York to Newcastle on the one that comes up here, and that will be my next video to the channel. But not before I upload a train spotting session at York from the same day. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you all very, very soon. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Cheerio, bye.